Hello students. Today we are going to learn English Balbharti, Standard 8th. We will continue our chapter number 4, Revati's Musical Plants. Students, do you remember that Revati was not ready to go for prize distribution ceremony? But her friends forced her and they took her there. She was shocked to see her pot of plants, but somebody else's name was written on the cardboard, a distant neighbor's name. Then she went to the organizers and she told them these plants belong to her. But the organizers did not believe Revati. They said, "How could it be? You have to prove it." Then Revati went running home. She brought her violin. And she went to the organizers and told them, "When I play this violin, my plants respond to it because they are music lovers." The organizers started laughing at Revati and they said, "How it could be? Plants are not having ears. How they can listen to your music?" Now further. She felt very dejected but was determined to win her plants back. Dejected means she was very much upset, disappointed or sad because organizers were laughing at her. They could not believe. She sat near her plants with her violin and slowly started playing her favorite raga. Which raga? Mohanam. Engrossed in her music. Engrossed means very much involved in her music. Revati even forget her plants for a time. But the others could not. With wonder in their eyes, they watched the plants. Straight at first, then they bent slightly. As she played on and on, their stems bent towards Revati as though they wanted to touch her in their happiness. The organizers were stunned. Stunned means very much amazed or surprised. They had watched a new phenomena. Children, phenomena means a new thing, occurrence, a wonderful thing. They had watched a new phenomena of plants responding to music, and Revati had become a great discoverer of it. Discoverer means she had discovered this, the first person to know something. They all applauded her. Applauded means they all started clapping, and they said they were convinced that these plants were hers. They pulled up her neighbor for cheating them, and she accepted after a long argument that she had stolen Revati's plants. Now what happened when Revati played the violin? The plants responded. The organizers were convinced. They agreed that the plants are of this little girl. Then they pulled up. Children, pulled up means they told that person that they have done something wrong. Pulled up means they telling someone that you have done something wrong. The neighbor made some argument, then she accepted, yes, she had cheated the organizers. She said while walking past Revati's house, she had spotted the plants and had removed the pot in the night to her house. The neighbor accepted. She had taken away the pot of plants in the night and submitted it later for the contest. As she was a regular participant, no one doubted her. The authorities decided that Revati's plants deserved the first prize as they were the best looking and healthy plants. Revati carried home the prize proudly with her pot of plants. So, understood the lesson? Very nice lesson it was. Some meanings were in these paragraphs. Please note down these meanings in your notebook. Dejected, sad, disappointed, determined, firm decision, stunned, astonished, engrossed, absorb all the attention, phenomena, occurrence or a wonder, applauded, clapping, pulled up to tell someone they have done something wrong. Argument means opposite views. Discoverer means pioneer. The synonym of discoverer is pioneer or a first person to find or explore. Spotted means marked.